Hey DIYers, we're back in the studio today to demonstrate the application process of our Nuvo Plus cabinet paint kits. Our kits come in 11 different colors and cover 100 square feet of cabinets, which is the size of a standard kitchen. If you're ready to update those cabinets, let's grab a kit and get started. Everything you need to transform your kitchen cabinets is included in the kit. You will also want to have these household items within reach. You can expect this project to take you a full weekend, but if you have any questions, we're here to help. You can reach us by email, chat, or phone. Before you start your project, watch this entire video and read your detailed written instructions. The two are meant to complement each other. We are demonstrating the application process on a single vanity cabinet, but the same techniques will be used when applying to a full kitchen. Start by removing any hardware from your cabinets. In order for Nuvo Plus to adhere properly, it is important that you strictly follow instructions for prep. For all cabinet types, sand with 300 grit sandpaper. If your cabinets are wood, follow the grain and avoid circular motions. It is also recommended to use an oil-based wood primer if your cabinets are bare wood. After sanding, clean well with TSP substitute. Pay extra attention to the areas where the oils from your hand and grease from cooking accumulate. After cleaning, use Windex or water to wipe up any remaining residue. Tape off any areas you don't want painted with 2 rows of painter's tape. Press firmly so paint does not bleed through, and be sure to protect your countertops and floors from any accidental spills. I'm going to show you the process without removing the doors. To do this, you carefully tape around the hinges. However, if you'd rather take the doors off, you can. Just follow the same painting process as they lay flat. Now we are ready to paint. Today I'm using the color Hearthstone, but the process is the same for all colors. We are going to start by painting the frame, so I am keeping the doors open to prevent sticking. You may find it easier to remove your cabinet drawers if possible. Using your brush, edge in on the frame in thin layers while following the wood grain. After painting the frame, keep the doors open to dry so that they don't stick. Nuvo Plus is engineered to be applied in multiple thin coats. If applied too thick, the paint won't dry properly and it could start to peel. Here's a demonstration showing you how to apply Nuvo Plus correctly using thin coats, followed by a demonstration of paint being applied too thick. Then continue on to the sides of the cabinet using the roller. Here are some of our favorite roller tips. Be careful not to push the roller cover too far in, as it will cause the roller to drag. Give it a quick test to make sure it's rolling freely, and brush off any loose lint or dust. While the frame and sides are drying, you can paint the backside of each door. Use the brush to edge in any corners or detailing, and use the roller to fill in the rest. Make sure the paint is completely dried to the touch before moving on. Continue using the roller to paint the front and side edges of your drawers in thin coats. Keep the door open when painting to prevent sticking. For the front of the door, use the same application as the back. Remember to start with your brush and finish with your roller. Allow your first coat to dry for 2 hours before repeating the process. During this time, put your roller and brush in a Ziploc bag and seal them tight to prevent them from drying out. You can also protect your paint tray by covering it in aluminum foil. Repeat the process for your second coat. Remember, allow 2 hours of dry time between each coat. After your final coat, leave your doors and drawers open for at least 8 hours to prevent them from sticking. Remove the tape once your paint has dried to the touch. Carefully score the tape with a box cutter for a clean separation. Wait a minimum of 8 hours before reattaching your hardware. Now step back, relax, and enjoy your updated look. If you have any before and after pictures of your makeover, we would love to see them. You may even be featured on our website. Send any pictures to info@giannigranite.com. To clean your cabinets, we recommend using only mild soap and water. Using other chemicals will affect the durability of your finish. While you can use your cabinets after 24 hours, just be extra careful during the first 14 days, as your cabinets are still curing. When choosing the Nuvo Plus color that best fits your space, remember that colors will be displayed differently depending on your computer monitor. If you need assistance in choosing a color, we offer free hand-painted swatches mailed straight to your door. You can request a swatch sheet by reaching out to our email, info@giannigranite.com. We know you're going to love your updated cabinets for years to come. Don't forget to follow us on social media and check out our website for additional resources. Thanks for watching!